Also today I'm going to change those wheel bearings on this Cadillac SRX, and it's not a difficult job, but this should not be a difficult job. And yeah, here we go. If you turn the wheel to the side, it's gonna help you a little bit. I'm gonna try to leave the whole caliper assembly on. Just up here, one of the hangers. Here we go, just out of the way. And I try to like at least wiggle a little bit so the piston goes in a little bit, so when later on I'm gonna put this back in, I have a little more room. Here we go. This should do it. Let me get the lift higher a little bit. It's should be able to reach those.
Yeah, so I wanted to narrow this down a little bit here because the camera seems to be a little bit high and you can't really see that good. So all the bolts in the back are basically 18, and with a regular swivel you should be able to easily reach them.
Here we go. So how tight this guys.
The extra nut here is 32 millimeters.
Alright, that's not too bad.
In fact, you probably can reach those rear bolts also with straight socket. But if you have a swivel, it makes it just a little bit easier. You can also use one of the extensions who have a little wobble on the end, which give you a little bit jiggle room. Either way will work.
There we go. It's up here. This guy over here. Yeah, there's WD-40 here. My can should be here but isn't. Oh, there you go. Over here. I'm gonna take a little bit and spray it in here anyway. You know. And not sure what size that is. Is it 18? It is. Doesn't want to come out. See, I can use this one here. Come on. This one won't. Of course. This guy higher. Alright, so this is probably working for that other side still. Let's see. Number 2. Then I would say oh no, not good at all. Like that. Need a thinner walled 18, something like that. Strike extension.
Yeah, so the best way is probably to use a 3/8 extension with a thinner walled socket instead of a 1/2 inch. And if you have a 3/8 impact, then I would probably just use that. It's gonna speed up the process.
There you go. This should do the job. Alright. If that doesn't come out, leave it stick in there. Well, you gotta put it back anyway. Or whatever, take it out, whatever works. So, if you have an air hammer, it really helps a little bit to loosen this up, but sometimes, okay, this one seems to be already loose. Easy peasy, came right off. Otherwise, air hammer, you go in here. Well, sometimes you need to remove the wheel speed sensors. With those you don't, it has the magnet ring in the back. Keep that in mind. Put that washer back. If you want to be a nice guy, you know, and I am actually a nice guy, and I gotta mix this up. It's all liquid. And you put a little bit copper paste, anti-seize on here. Somebody ever gotta do this again, it's gonna be a happy guy. There it is already. I grabbed the new bearing. Splash shield, which I forget sometimes in a rush. And then I'm on that. so don't be like me. I'll get a easy one started, like this one. This one. And
yeah, maybe I should mention that always try to get all the 3 screws, bolts, whatever started with those space shields. Sometimes, you know, when you get one in and you tie it up, it's still a little bit in the way for the other ones, and this way you avoid to have a hard time to get them in.
Sometimes that dust shield is a little bit in the way. You gotta wiggle it around. Of course, if you have those wobble guys here, they help you a lot. I always go with a breaker bar and make sure they're actually tight. Okay. Other side I probably gotta move a little bit. Let me see, maybe I can use a short socket without moving. Alright, so now get this guy tied up. Good enough. And that goes your brake caliper, sorry, rotor. And I get this guy's back. See, that's why I said you gotta wiggle them a little bit so you can get them easy on there. Number one, I don't know how good you can see this on the camera, but number two. So ideally, big guy. Alright, it's tight. And done. That's how you do a front wheel bearing on I think 2015-ish Cadillac SRX. The exact year is going to be in the description. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing. I'm still below 1,000 subscribers. Every single one helps.